What's up, guys? Still at Sam's Club. I have been on a Kiwi kick. Alright, so I'll cut this into another video of me trying these on camera for you guys. But the yellow Kiwi, as well as these, I think, oh no, those are regular Kiwis. Maybe over here. These are extra sweet. Let me get one of these. And these ones, they're a little tart, but both of these have thinner skins than the regular green ones. These are very fuzzy, whatever. You can eat all the skins. I didn't know that. These are like kind of like a pear skin, so it's thin. So I just eat the whole thing like an apple with no seeds. It's amazing and delicious. But the red, super sweet. The yellow, just a little bit tart, little sweet. And then the original green ones, you guys know what a Kiwi tastes like. So anyway, I'm gonna snag these and I'll cut right now to me eating them. In my pocket here, I have, a Kiwi. And another Kiwi. So I want to do a video, you guessed it, on Kiwis. Now I don't know if I will insert, I did a little video at the store buying these. I may or may not have that as an intro of this video, but I forgot which one's which, so we're going to find out together, but I have a red Kiwi and I have a golden yellow Kiwi. Now I've been on a huge kick. I mean, I've been loving, I like fruit. I'm trying to eat healthier. And I will tell you, I will do a health update. I don't know the order in which I'm posting these videos, but you guys will see that and know what's going on in case you're curious. But I like fruit. I'm a big fan of fruit. You can definitely overdo it, so I try to take it easy. But I haven't had kiwis in years, and I saw a video of people talking about you can eat the skin on a kiwi. I didn't know that. My whole life. Imagine a regular green kiwi. I'd buy them from the store. I'd cut it in half. I'd take a spoon. I'd eat out all the flesh and fruit inside. And I'd throw away the skins. And it was kind of a pain. Sometimes I would try to peel it. My hands would be all wet, I'd be making a big mess trying to peel off all the skin so I could make slices or something. But yeah, you can eat the skins. Who knew? So today, we're going to eat these. Well, I'm going to eat these. You're going to watch me, if you like. You don't have to. You can click off the video right now if you don't want to do that. But anyway, we're going to get into it. So I don't know which one's which. We'll start with this one first. This one on the outside looks more goldish brown, I guess. The other one's a little more green. So, let's take our giant Lothar fixed blade, which I'm still digging. Love this thing. It's huge, though. Now, on the Kiwi, we have this side, right? And then we have the side where it was picked. The side where it's picked, that part is just a little bit tough. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the end off here. All right, we're going to see, oh, this one is the golden one. Alright, that fell on the floor. I will get that after the video. But yeah, that is just a little bit on the tough side to chew. However, hold on. Get my knife over there because I want to clean it before I put it back in the sheath. So, I used to just eat just the flesh, which is delicious. It's sweet. Very sweet, but there's a little tartness there. But now that I know you can eat the skins, it's a lot easier to eat. I just go right at it. Just bite right into it. Now, I will say the skins are a little bit tough. It's kind of like if you eat a pear, it's like a pear skin. More than an apple skin. But it breaks down. It's fine. And these aren't like fuzzy, like the green ones are really fuzzy. That would probably be weird. I haven't had a green one yet like this, but these other ones. So, I know, it's weird because some people would be totally grossed out by this. Ugh! This guy's eating. He's making eating noises. Sorry. I warned you. I said I'm going to eat a kiwi for you. So this middle bit is a little bit tougher. As you pull the fruit off, it kind of like almost melts in your mouth, and this really doesn't, but it's not hard at all. It's actually very soft. But this is amazing. It's so much easier to eat like this. Yep. So, if you like kiwis, but you never you don't get them often because it's a pain in the butt to process them, you might want to try this. So juicy. So good. Isn't how influencers eat? They go like this. They have to, you know, because it's gross. You want to see an influencer eat, but you don't want to see them eat. You know what I mean? Oh, how is that? But you don't want them lip smacking and chewing and crunching and slurping. All right, hey, little magic trick. Here it is. Here it is. Now it's gone. All right, let's try the other one. This thing is so damn good. All right, so this one's a little different. The red one is, wow, look how red that is. This one is not tart. At least the ones I've had before. This is straight up like candy. Like it's sweet, sweet, sweet. Extra sweet. Damn, that's so good. Now I forget, one of these, I think the golden ones came from New Zealand, and these red ones came from somewhere else. I don't know if in the video I showed the packaging. I might have, but yeah, just random places. But yeah, it's so good. Tell you what though, I'm gonna set that aside because I don't know who wants to keep watching me eat kiwis. I'll eat that off camera. This is my lunch. I just want to share this with you. I thought it was pretty interesting. I know you can eat the skins. Totally fine. Very healthy. Very good. It's funny because the same people who comment, Jeff, you shouldn't be eating chips, they're going to be the exact same people that be like, this is gross. Why are you eating this on camera? You told me to eat healthy, right? I know I should eat healthy. I'm eating healthy. What's the problem? There's no problem. But for the people who are just normal, thank you for being normal, by the way, and you just like interesting random things, and that's why you watch the channel, this is your interesting random thing for the day. If you liked kiwis, or if you never had a kiwi, I highly recommend trying these. I mean, you know, if you never had one before, try a regular green one first, but you can eat the skins. I did not know that. It's very good for you. Just because you can eat it doesn't mean you want to eat it. If you try this, you might find like, yeah, I don't really like the texture. The skins don't have a particular flavor. It tastes like the kiwi. It's really just a textural thing. The best way I just can describe it is a thick pear skin. You know what I mean? So it's a little chewy. Like, if you take a big bite, like I was taking big bites for the video. I don't normally eat big bites like that. I just, you know, kind of nibble it while I'm watching TV or something. But if you take a big bite like that, what ends up happening is when you go to chew it, all the flesh, all the fruit on the inside is just super, super soft and juicy. So it almost melts. It just like squeezes out on the first or second chew, and you're left with basically just the skin. So like you're swallowing basically all the fruit, and then now you're chewing just the skin part. But again, because you can eat it, doesn't mean you have to eat it. If you still don't like the skin, don't eat it. I would cut it in half or cut it in slices and then just eat the fruit like out of the skin, basically. You could just use your teeth to pull it right out. I mean, it separates so easily. But it is just a really, really good fruit. So if you're someone who just like loves fruit, like you buy strawberries and blueberries and, you know, apples on the regular, but you never branch out and try all these exotic fruits, right? Is kiwi still an exotic fruit? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. It's just worth trying. Life is short. You gotta try stuff, you know? So, yeah, that's it. Just want to share that with you guys. I've been enjoying kiwis lately, and I wanted to tell the world about it. So let me know your experiences with kiwis, and do you eat the skin? Again, just because you can doesn't mean you have to. I made a video years ago, and I was talking about when I eat strawberries, I eat the green part of the strawberry. I eat the leaves. What I'll do is I'll take a strawberry, I'll bite off all the leaf part first because that's the least enjoyable part of it, chew it up, and now I have just the strawberry. Instead of cutting all the tops off and throwing away, because I mean, fruit is expensive, you know what I mean? And if you're eating fruit just because you like the flavor, cool. But if you're eating fruit because you like the flavor and you're happy that you're getting the nutrition from it and all the good stuff, right? The green part's a lot of the good stuff, you know? So, yeah, I mean, experiment, live a little, enjoy life, you know? But to each their own, I get it. If you think it's gross, that's fine. You're allowed to do that. You're allowed to think it's gross. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care. Oh, before I go, write in the comment section, what is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit of all time, it's tough. I like a lot of fruit. I mean, I guess a banana is the tastiest fruit to me. It's funny because I don't really think of, like, I think of, you know, apples and, you know, pear and plums and things like that, cherries, that's like fruit to me. But I guess a banana's fruit, right? It's not a vegetable, I know that. Yeah, I guess a banana. Just I like banana flavor the most. But let me know, what's your favorite fruit? Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.